Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the ZIIP Halo beauty device. This video is kindly sponsored by ZIIP Beauty. I've been working them for over a year now and I absolutely love their device. So when they got in touch with me this year, seeing if I'd be interested in taking a look at their new ZIIP Halo 2, there was no way I was going to turn that down. It's an upgraded version, so I'm going to be talking all about that, what the changes are, what exactly is a device if you haven't seen any of my previous videos. I'm going to be doing a demonstration of me using it on my face, a before and after. So if you're interested in learning more about it and seeing how it works, then carry on watching. What I really like about it is that it's not just one of those beauty tools that just does one thing. Yeah, it's great if you want a more lifted, sculpted look, but for me, it's also about overall skin quality. It targets numerous concerns and has an app with 17 different treatments, which I'll go into further on in the video and show you. So as well as lifting and sculpting the face, targets elasticity, collagen to give a glow, plumped, more youthful appearance to your skin as well. And anti-aging, helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles too. So ZIIP uses electrical currents that work at a cellular level, and the microcurrent supports ATP. So for me personally, by using this device, I'm concentrating more around this area. I'm going to be 50 in a couple of months' time. I haven't had any Botox or any fillers in my skin. I've loved my skincare, but I've noticed since using the ZIIP Halo device, I noticed definite improvements with my lower face. I have got some jowling developing around here, and you can see it's like, ooh, and the skin is not as tight as it used to be. I have lost 3.5 stone in the last 18 months or so. I've done it super slow, like about 3-4 pound a month. So super slow, but yeah, I think that has affected my neck there. Even though I can't use the ZIIP Halo actually on my neck because of the thyroid, I do use it, which you'll see when I show you the demonstration. I do start on the neck. So I am targeting the sides of my neck all the way up to my forehead, across my jaw and around this area here as well. Overall, my skin looks fresher and plumper and more glowy after using it. So the new ZIIP Halo has been re-engineered to be a more precise, more advanced version of the original. One of the biggest updates is that the ZIIP 2 delivers 63% greater waveform accuracy. So the current delivery is more precise and it means you get more of an optimal result. What I like about the upgrade as well is that ZIIP Beauty have taken on board what their customers have fed back to them. For instance, there's a little port area here that used to be open, which could have issues when applying the gels to your skin. So now it's got a silicone charging port cover, which is great. They've also redesigned internals and treatment globes as well. So overall, it just feels like a more robust, more refined device. It also comes with more in your kit when you purchase it. So now you get 3 gels and a travel pouch as well. Independent testing showed improvements in things like wrinkles, fine lines, plumpness, brightness, firmness, elasticity. So there's proper testing behind it. For instance, wrinkles and lines reduced by 28%, skin plumpness boosted by 27%, brightness improved by 10%, skin tone improved by 13%, skin firmness increased by 24%, elasticity increased by 27%, and 97% saw immediate lifting and firming after using the device. One of the biggest things that make the ZIIP Halo stand out is the fact that it is app connected, which makes the whole experience easier and more targeted. Once you sync your device to the ZIIP app, you have then access to 17 different treatments. They're video guided, time stamped, so you can follow along easily. And the treatments range between 2 and 12 minutes, and it all depends on the type of treatment you want to focus on. And because each treatment uses a different waveform intensity, it doesn't feel like a one treatment fits all. You can really choose based on what your skin needs that day or week. For instance, I don't currently suffer from acne. I am on strong medication to control it. If I were to come off it, then cystic acne would come back. But now and again, I do get the odd spot, mainly on my chin. So there's treatments to target blemishes. There's treatments to target collagen, which is gorgeous. Lymphatic drainage. The one I've been using for the last 2 weeks is the instant facelift, which is really lovely. And that's a 6-minute treatment. So there's a treatment for everyone. Let me show you quickly what you receive inside the box. You'll get the ZIIP Halo device, which is really lightweight, easy to hold in the hand. I love that it's pebble shaped. It just feels nice gliding over the skin. It's the perfect shape for getting right in there and underneath the cheekbones and maneuvering from neck all the way up to the forehead. Yeah, it's a really nice, comfortable design. And you get 3 gels. I love the fact that they've added 3 different gels into the kit, as it feels a bit more tailored rather than just having the one gel. They all have different benefits for different skin concerns. For instance, the silver is great for hydration and drier skins. The crystal gel is for pigmentation and a gorgeous glow. And then the one I've been using, I haven't tried this one before. This is the golden gel, and this is your anti-aging gel, packed full of amazing skincare ingredients for more mature skins. Also comes with a little pouch, which is really, really handy. I love that. Got a charging cable. You should always use the ZIIP Halo charging cable with the ZIIP and no other cable. And then you've got a card here detailing how to download the app and set it all up. Plus, you can use the ZIIP without the app. And in all honesty, that is how I've been using it the majority of the time. So basically, it is pre-programmed with a 4-minute treatment, 2 minutes either side. It beeps halfway through so you know to change over. If you're out and about, if you're on the train, you can bring this anywhere, on holiday, and you don't have access to the app. Built-in treatment is just great. You just turn it on, and you can hear it go whoosh, and then you just do 2 minutes either side, always concentrating on lifting, going up the skin. That's what I tend to do the majority of the time because it just fits into my skincare makeup routine in the morning. And especially if you're out and about, these little gels that the kit comes with, they're small. They can also fit in the little pouch as well. So easy to pop in your handbag and take away. But yeah, I love the 4-minute treatment. But if I've got a special occasion coming up, then I will turn to the app. Or if my skin is particularly just looking quite dull, then I'll use one of the targeted treatments on the app. And as mentioned over the last 2 weeks, I've been using the golden gel alongside doing the instant facelift treatment. It contains bioplacenta with 5 growth factors, hematite, niacinamide, and 24 karat gold. The current drives those actives into the skin with up to 109% better absorption. So I like the fact that I could use this gel alongside doing the instant facelift. It seemed more fitting for my skin at the minute. For the last 2 months or so, I haven't been using my ZIIP Halo as much because I've been having treatment for redness and broken capillaries on my skin. I normally use it 3 to 4 times a week, and I've had to take a step back. When I started using it 2 weeks ago, 4 times a week, with this new kit arrive, I was dying to see how the upgraded ZIIP Halo alongside a treatment plan I stick to for 2 weeks and a new gel would work on my skin. And I'm really impressed. Really impressed. My skin seems more glowy, more plumped, more youthful. It doesn't seem as dull anymore. Even though it's been a staple for so long, it's not until I stop using it and reintroduce it again that I realise how much I actually loved it. And you can actually see a difference in my before and after, especially my jowl area. So the skin is thinner, so anything that helps boost elastin and collagen is goals for me, in all honesty. So I'll quickly show you how I've been using it. I apply the gel first, then go into the app, choose the treatments I want to do, and then just follow along using up and out motions. What I like about using the app is that it takes the guesswork out of it because you can just follow the tutorial as you go. So if you're interested in purchasing the ZIIP Halo 2, you can buy it directly from the ziipbeauty.co.uk website. It costs £379.99 and there's free shipping within the UK. And you can get 10% off if you use my code DIARYB, bringing it down to £341.99. I'll leave a direct link to the website, to my code, and to the actual ZIIP Halo 2 as well, down below in my description. So you're welcome to take a look down there. But yeah, I'd love to hear if you've tried it before, because it'd be all nice to hear other people's experiences in this community as well. So yeah, so please comment down below. If there's anything you want to know, if there's more you'd like to see me do or demonstrate, then yeah, please ask away and I'll see what I can do. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.